Abijah, king of Judah, in the 18-year-old reign of Jeroboam, son of Nebat, Abijah became king of Judah, and he reigned in Jerusalem 3 years. His mother's name was Maacah, daughter of Abishalom. He committed with the sin his father had done before him. His heart was not fully devoted to the Lord his God, as the heart of David his forefather had been. Nevertheless, for David's sake, the Lord his God gave him a ram in Jerusalem by raising up a son to succeed him and by making Jerusalem strong. For David had done what was right in the eye of the Lord, and had not failed to keep any of the Lord's commands all the days of his life, except the case of Uriah the Hittite. There was war between Abijah and Jeroboam. Throughout Abijah's lifetime, as for the over event of Abijah's reign and all he did, are they not written in the book of the animal of the king of Judah? There was war between Abijah and Jeroboam, and Abijah rested with his ancestor and was buried in the city of David. And Asa his son succeeded him as king. Asa king of Judah, in the 20th year of Jeroboam king of Israel, Asa became king of Judah, and he reigned in Jerusalem 41 years. His grandmother's name was Maacah, daughter of Abishalom. Asa did what was right in the eye of the Lord, as his father David had done. He expelled the male Syrian prostitutes from the land and got rid of all the idols his ancestor had made. He even dispersed his grandmother Maacah from her position as queen mother, because she had made a repulsive image for the worship of Asherah. Asa cut it down and buried it in the Kidron Valley. Although he did not remove the high place, Asa's heart was fully committed to the Lord all his life. He brought into the temple of the Lord the silver and gold and his article that he and his father had dedicated. There was war between Asa and Baasha, king of Israel, throughout their reigns. Baasha, king of Israel, went up against Judah and fortified Ramah to prevent anyone from leaving or entering the territory of Asa, king of Judah. Asa then took all the silver and gold that was left in the treasuries of the Lord's temple and of his own place. He entrusted it to his officials and sent them to Ben-Hadad, son of Tabrimmon, the son of Hezion, the king of Aram, who was ruling in Damascus. Let there be a treaty between me and you, he said, as there was between my father and your father, See, I am sending you a gift of silver and gold. Now break your treaty with Baasha, king of Israel, so he will withdraw from me. Ben-Hadad agreed with King Asa and sent the commander of his forces against the town of Israel. He conquered Ijon, Dan, Abel, Beth, Machar, and all Kinnereth, in addition to Naphtali. When Baasha heard this, he stopped building Ramah and withdrew to Tirzah. Then King Asa issued an order to all Judah. No one was exempt, and they carried away from Ramah the stones and timber Baasha had been using there. With them, King Asa built up Geber in Benjamin and also Mizpah. As for all the other events of Asa's reign, all his achievements, all he did, and the cities he built, are they not written in the book of the annals of the king of Judah? In his old age, however, his feet became diseased. Then Asa rested with his ancestors and was buried with them in the city of his father David, and Jehoshaphat, his son, succeeded him as king. Nadab, king of Israel. Nadab, son of Jeroboam, became king of Israel in the second year of Asa, king of Judah, and he reigned over Israel 2 years. He did evil in the eye of the Lord, following the way of his father and committing the same sin his father had caused Israel to commit. Baasha, son of Ahijah, from the tribe of Asher, plotted against him, and he struck him down at Gibeon, a Palestine town, while Nadab and all Israel were besieging it. Baasha killed Nadab in the third year of Asa, king of Judah, and succeeded him as king. As soon as he began to reign, he killed Jeroboam's whole family. He did not leave Jeroboam anyone that rest, but destroyed them all according to the word of the Lord given through his servant Ahijah the Shilonite. This happened because of the sin Jeroboam his committed and had caused Israel to commit, and because he aroused the anger of the Lord, the God of Israel. As for the other event of Nadab reigns, and all he did, are they not written in the book of the annals of the king of Israel? There was a war between Asa and Baasha, king of Israel, throughout their reigns. Baasha, kings of Israel. In the third year of Asa, king of Judah, Baasha, son of Ahijah, became king of all Israel in Tirzah, and he reigned for 24 years. He did evil in the eye of the Lord, following the way of Jeroboam, and committing the same sins Jeroboam he had caused Israel to commit. Then the word of the Lord came to Jehu, son of Hanani, concerning Baasha. I will lift you up from the dust and appointed you ruler over my people Israel. But you followed the way of Jeroboam and caused my people Israel to sin and arouse my anger by their sins. So I am about to wipe out Bashar and his house, and I will make your house like that of Jeroboam son of Nebat. Dogs will eat those belonging to Bathsheba, who die in the city, and birds will feed on those who die in the country. As for the other events of Bashar's reign, that what he did and his achievements, are they not written in the book of the annals of the king of Israel? Baasha rested with his ancestor and was buried in Tirzah, and Allah his son succeeded him as king. Moreover, the word of the Lord came through the prophet Jehu son of Hanani of Baasha and his house, because of all the evil he had done in the eye of the Lord, arousing his anger by the thing he did, becoming like the house of Jeroboam, and also because he did destroy it. Allah, king of Israel. In the 26th year of Asa, king of Judah, Elah son of Baasha became king of Israel and reigned in Tirzah 2 years. Zimri, one of his officers who had command of half his chariot, plotted against him. Elah was in Tirzah at the time, getting drunk in the home of Arja, the place administrator at Tirzah. Zimri came in, struck him down, and killed him in the 27 years of Asa, king of Judah. Then he succeeded him as king. As soon as he began to reign and was sitting on the throne, he killed off Baasha's whole family. He did not spare in a single male, whether relative or friend. So Zimri destroyed the whole family of Baasha in accordance with the word of the Lord spoke against Baasha through the prophet Jehu. Because of all the sin Baasha and his son Elah had committed and had caused Israel to commit, so that they aroused the anger of the Lord, the God of Israel, by their worthless idols. As for the other events of Elah's reign and all he did, are they not written in the book of the animals of the king of Israel? Zimri, king of Israel. In 27th year of Asa, king of Judah, Zimri reigned in Tirzah 7 days. The army was encamped near Gibeon, a Palestine town. When the Israelites in the camp heard that Zimri had plotted against the king and murdered him, they proclaimed Omni, the commander of the army, king over Israel. Him withdrew that very day there in the camp. Then Omni and all the Israelites with him withdrew from Gibeon and Rajesh to Tirzah. When Zimri saw that the city was taken, he went into the citadel of the royal palace and set the palace on fire around him. So he did, because of the sin had committed, doing evil in the eye of the Lord, and following the way of Jeroboam,